You know, you come in, you have a huge shop. Like, it's massive. Like, you don't get that out in industry all the time, you know, and you have a nice bright facility. It's very bright, it's very nice in there. It feels up to date. My favorite parts actually have been probably prep work and painting. It's tricky, but it's a good challenge. They do a good job of spending their time between all students. They don't focus on one person, you know, they don't pick favorites. They're there for everyone.
I teach the auto body side of the auto body and collision program. Been teaching here for 25 years. Worked in the industry for probably 15 years before that. In our programs at NBCC, we do a lot of hands-on training. So they get to actually physically do what they're going to do when they graduate and go to work. And at the end of the course, they're allowed to write their Block 1 exam. And upon passing their Block 1 exam, they're then eligible to start banking hours for Block 2. So when they graduate out of here, they've already got Block 1 behind them, and they're on their way through a 4-year apprenticeship.
I've always liked cars. I love working on cars. A big part of what I wanted to really get into was customizing cars, especially painting. So we are actually in the shop quite a bit, especially this semester we're in there most of the time. There is a communications course, that's a good course to have. And then there's a lot of textbook work that just goes through the theory of what we're doing in the shop. It's great because it is only 1 year. Basically you get right out into the workforce after that, you're making money right off the bat.
NBCC has helped by being here in my hometown and offering those programs. You can create anything. Lots of experience in all different fields. Like, you do get mechanics, you get sheet metal, you get welding, everything. So it opens up doors to many opportunities.
It's amazing to be able to go out and work with the students and teach them the basics they need to get a job. And then what's even more enjoyable than that is going out to visit the students on their practicum and having our past graduates come over and say thank you. And have our past graduates now hiring our graduates, because our past graduates are now running shops.